Alright, picture this. You wake up to skyline views, city lights twinkling below, and Tokyo, the heart of innovation and style, right at your doorstep. Today, I'm taking you inside the top 6 most luxurious condos in Tokyo. If you've ever dreamed of living big in the city, or you just love a good dose of aspiration, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 6. The Park Court Akasaka Hinukicho Tower. This isn't just a building, it's a statement. Floor-to-ceiling windows, a 24-hour concierge, and an indoor pool that looks more like a luxury spa than a gym. Each unit is crafted with precision, blending Japanese minimalism with cutting-edge tech. Imagine sipping coffee with views of Tokyo Midtown every morning. Number 5. The Tokyo Midtown Residences. We're talking about living on top of one of Tokyo's premier shopping and dining destinations. You get exclusive access to a residence-only lounge, a fitness center, and private elevators. The interiors? Clean lines, natural woods, and every smart home feature you can imagine. It's urban living at its finest. Coming in at 4, the Park Mansion Chidorigafuchi. Now this place is rare, right next to the Imperial Palace. The views of cherry blossoms in spring, unreal. With just a handful of units, privacy here is unmatched. Think marble bathrooms, custom kitchens, and a peace that's hard to find in the city. Number 3. The Brands Tower Toyosu. This one's all about the community vibe. Huge rooftop terraces, a sky lounge, even a library. The architecture is futuristic, the amenities are endless, and the river views? Next level. Plus, it's super close to Tokyo Bay for those who want a slice of waterfront living. At number 2, the Toranomon Hills Residence. This is where Tokyo's elite call home. From Michelin-starred dining just downstairs to a full-service wellness center, you've got it all. The design is all about elegance, soft lighting, high ceilings, and a sense of calm you feel as soon as you step in. And finally, at number 1, the Grand Prince Takanawa Residence. This is pure classic luxury. Think lush private gardens, traditional tea rooms, and interiors inspired by Japanese artistry. It's a sanctuary in the middle of the city, blending old-world charm with every modern convenience. So, which one's your dream Tokyo home? Drop your pick in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour and want more inside looks at the world's most incredible homes, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep dreaming big.